Are you looking at ceiling fan? You love ceiling fan. Is it your best friend? Oh, you can't take your eye off it. Something may happen and you'll miss it. Is it because ceiling fan has a really ugly lampshade? That's ceiling fan. Is it because it looks faintly like a spinning boob? I bet it's because it looks faintly like a spinning boob. Spinning boob. Someday you're gonna get it. You're gonna get ceiling fan. You were smiling and laughing at it earlier. I'm gonna straighten you out. You're a little slouchy.